Hello everyone, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 11th, 2025, we're diving into EURUSD, combining news analysis with our technical chart breakdown. Recent headlines highlight the euro hitting a 5-month high, driven by hopes for a deal around Germany's spending plans and a general weakness in the US dollar due to tariff jitters. We also see that progress in Russia-Ukraine peace negotiations has lent some support to the euro, which should all factor into our view of the chart's momentum. Let's start by looking at the daily chart to get a broad perspective. Looking at the one-day chart, we see a period of consolidation followed by a recent upward trend. The pair appears to have broken through some key resistance levels in November 2024, reaching highs around 1.1000, but failing to sustain those highs. Notice the more recent consolidation around the 1.0800 to 1.0900 range, which could be indicative of indecision in the market. Now, let's zoom into the one-hour chart to analyze recent price action. This will give us a closer look at the short-term trends and potential entry/exit points. On the one-hour time frame, we observe increased volatility and choppiness. There seem to be multiple attempts to break above the 1.0950 level, failing and retracting downwards, suggesting strong resistance there. Pay attention to the intraday trading ranges here, as breakouts from these patterns could signal short-term bullish or bearish opportunities. Finally, let's look at the 15-minute chart to fine-tune our analysis and identify potential immediate moves. We're going to narrow our time window to get a better view. On the 15-minute chart, we can clearly see the most recent pullback. The price movement seems to be bouncing around the 1.083 handle as of now. Look at the volume and wicks here. A break below the 1.083 handle with strong volume could signal a short-term bearish move towards 1.080. Conversely, sustained trading above 1.084 could see prices test 1.086 once more. Considering the news and the charts, here's a recap. Key support: 1.080, 1.075. If the price breaks below 1.080 with momentum, look for a test of 1.075. I'd say this scenario has a 40% probability. Key resistance: 1.086, 1.090. A break above 1.086, supported by positive euro news, has a 30% chance and could lead to further upside toward 1.090. Choppy consolidation: 30% given the current market uncertainties. The most likely scenario is continued choppy consolidation between 1.080 and 1.086. Important upcoming economic announcements and peace talks updates could serve as key catalysts for breakouts in either direction. Keep an eye on these levels and stay tuned for more updates on Explain the Charts.